All right, we are in for quite a soaker this Sunday morning. Our weather watchers reporting rainfall totals that, my goodness, have already over the inch mark. We're looking at over an inch in Yonkers. We have about a half an inch in East Brunswick. And then in Tompkins Cove, it's also a half an inch. Looking at a little bit closer to that inch mark in Plainsboro Township. As for pictures, I just wanted to really share with you, most importantly, this one. This is Thomas Wisloski's dad, and it's his birthday. So a very happy birthday to you, Dad. I don't know your name, but I hope you have a fantastic one. Let's go ahead and take you live outside right now. We've got low clouds, fog, of course, and rain, 47 degrees. East-northeast winds at 6. That's a bad wind direction because that just adds more moisture to the region. Dense fog early on for some. We do have visibilities down below a mile at the moment. Rain all day. It will be heavy at times. If you want to know the best bet for a break, it's this afternoon. Then this evening, it begins to taper off, but we could still see some bouts of rain until roughly midnight. Then for tomorrow, big temperature drop. Today, there's a big temperature range. We're talking upper 30s northwest of the city, as warm as 60 down the Jersey Shore. Flood watch is in effect until midnight tonight for most of New Jersey for those poor drainage and low-lying areas. Listen, just because only Jersey is under this flood watch, I still think it's possible that we will see some localized flooding across Long Island as well, and even parts of the city. Here's why. We're starting to see some heavy rounds of rain rolling on in, very heavy rain pushing into Ocean County now. That will sweep across Monmouth and then make its way to the east end of Long Island. This will be the trend for the morning. This heavy rain giving way to some lighter rain, but certainly within these heavier pockets, it's also possible we will see some thunderstorm development. As we look a little bit toward the north now, we see lighter rainfall in South Brunswick, Edison, light rainfall at the moment, but this line seems to be extending, and likely Staten Island will get more of a moderate rainfall here in the next 20 minutes or so. Big picture reveals the wet weather extends all the way back down into the deep south. In fact, in the southeast today, we're looking out for severe weather. We're talking about dangerous thunderstorm activity. Here at home, flooding is really our biggest concern. So let's talk about it hour by hour. Here we are, not far from now, 9:30. We see the moderate to heavy rainfall lifting through the region. Lunchtime, another round of heavier rainfall. And then as we get into the afternoon, this is when we see a better potential for a few breaks. When I say breaks, though, it will just be that there's not a steady rainfall happening, but there'll still be mist and drizzle because there is just so much moisture in this atmosphere. As we go on through the evening hours, we see lesser rainfall, but still plenty cloudy and damp, and that trend continues till about midnight when you can see the winds almost change direction behind the front. They'll be out of the northwest, bringing in drier but also cooler air to start your work week. It's going to be a day with a mixture of sunshine and clouds. Tomorrow, more clouds in the morning, more sunshine by afternoon. Tuesday looking bright and beautiful to start with a wintry mix possible late in the day Tuesday into early Wednesday. Today, no wintry mix, just rain and fog. 53 degrees, the high in the city, 60 with possible down the shore, upper 30s north and west. Overnight lows, 26 in Monticello, refreezing a real possibility north and west of the city, and then we'll be closer to that 40-degree mark in the city itself. Tomorrow, cooler, 40s and 30s out there. We'll be drying out throughout the day, revealing sunshine that does stick around early on Tuesday. So Tuesday, it's 39 degrees, lots of sun early, the clouds thicken late, and then we'll be watching out for a wintry mix Tuesday night into Wednesday. Wednesday happens to be Valentine's Day. You see that circulating, beating heart there. 52 degrees with a mix of sunshine and clouds. I think it's a beautiful day. I think it stays pretty much dry for that stretch. And then another chance for some wet weather Thursday and Friday. Not like this.